Very good morning to all of you, dear students. I once again welcome all the B.Sc. first year analytical chemistry students to our online class. In last lecture, we have learned about the first paper, that is what the general concept of analytical chemistry, in which we have learned some topic regarding the introduction to analytical chemistry, role of analytical chemistry. Here in today we are going to learn about the first unit of our second paper, that is what basic analytical chemistry. So the name of unit is measurement of mass, and the name of topic is distinction between mass and weight and type of analytical balances. So let's begin with the first, that is what measurement of mass. In the measurement of mass, what is the need of measurement of mass? So in analytical chemistry, the measurement of mass is the first and most important step, because without taking sample we cannot able to analyze the sample. So whatever that sample taken is by means of measurement. So in analytical chemistry, the measurement of mass is the first and most important step, because one has to take a definite measured quantity of matter for analysis. So definite quantity of sample is taken, and quantity of matter of body is best measured by using a balance. Therefore balance is most important tool in analytical chemistry. So for the purpose of taking sample or the definite sample by measuring with the help of instrument, that is known as a balance, analytical balance. So first topic of this unit is what the distinction between mass and what weight. What are the difference in weight and mass, whether it is equal or not. So let's see the following distinction and explanation regarding the mass and weight. Clear the difference between the masses and weight of an object or body. What are the differences? What differs mass and weight from each other? So what is mass? The quantity of matter present in the object or body is called as the mass of the object or body. Whatever the quantity of the matter present in the body or object is known as the mass of that object or body. So the mass of an object is a scalar quantity. It is not depend upon the direction. It is only depend upon the magnitude. So it is a scalar quantity. The mass of an object is the same at different locations on the earth surfaces, as well as at the moon also. So the mass cannot be changes with change in the what in the place. If you take the mass at the your native place is same as you take the mass of the given object at the moon also or other places of earth also. So it is what the scalar quantity. It is not changes with the direction as well as the places. So this is about the mass. Then what is weight? The force of gravitational attraction exerted on the object is called as the weight of the object, or what the weight of the object or body. So it depend upon the gravitational force. So it is the different weight at the different locations. So the weight of the object is vector quantity. It means what? The weight of object depend upon the magnitude as well as the direction. So it changes with change in the magnitude as well as the change in the direction. So the weight of object is different at different locations on the earth surface as well as on the moon also. So it is the mass that analyst wants to determine is nothing but weight. We are going to determine the weight, not the mass. So next one is the what? Analytical balance. What is the analytical balance? The quantity required for the analysis is taken by measuring exact quantity, and what the definite quantity is taken for the analysis, and this definite quantity of matter is taken by means of the measuring the given object or body with the help of instrument. Such instrument is known as analytical balance. By definition, the analytical balance is a device or instrument used to determine the mass of an object or body. It is only what instrument or device which can be used for the determining the mass of object or the mass or the object or body. So the types of analytical balances. The analytical balances available in the market have different maximum capacity or load of weighing, as well as they have different constructions. So according to their load or capacity, they are classified into different types. So some analytical balances are used for the measurement of very small quantity of the substance, that is what micro quantity of the substances. Some have the kilograms, some have the grams load capacity. So the maximum capacity oblique load of weighing of analytical balances ranges from 1 gram to 5 kilograms with the precision of at least 1 part in 10 to the power 5, and maximum exceeding 1 part is about 10 to the 5 at full capacity. So the precision, that is what correctness of the analytical balance is what, that is there is only change in that the 1 part in the 10 to the power 5 and maximum exceeding 1 part in the 10 to the 5 power 5 at a full capacity. So what are the types of analytical balances? On the basis of their maximum capacity or load and their construction, the analytical balance may be classified in the following two different ways. So one is what, on the basis of their maximum capacity load, the analytical balances may be classified into three types. One is a macro analytical balances. The most common type of analytical balances, macro balances, have a maximum capacity of load, that is what 160 to 200 gram, and precision is about what plus or minus 0.1 milligram. Means what, 0. Plus or minus 0.1 may be what expected in the weighing. So error in the weighing, so that is what plus or minus 0.1. What is macro analytical balances? Macro analytical balances are those balances which has the load capacity, that is maximum load capacity is about 160 to 200 gram, as a precision of what plus or minus 0.1 milligram. Then second one is the semi-micro analytical balances. These balances have the maximum capacity, that is what load capacity is about 10 to 30 gram with precision, that is what plus or minus 0.01 milligram. So error in the weighing must what, it may be what what permitted, that is what plus or minus 0.01 milligram. That is what semi-micro analytical balances. Semi-micro analytical balances are the balances which have maximum capacity of load, that is 10 to 30 gram with precision, that is plus or minus 0.01 milligram. Then macro analytical balances, these types of micro analytical balances, these type of the balances have maximum load capacity, that is 1 to 3 gram, and precision is about what plus or minus 0.001 milligram for 1 milligram. If we measure the 1 milligram substance, then there is what the error is permitted, that is 0.001 milligram error is permitted for that type of the balances. Such type of balances, very small balances, is known as the micro analytical balances. So next category, that is on the basis of their construction, the analytical balances may be classified into the three types. The first one is the equal arm balances or two pan analytical balances, or we can generally what call it as double pan analytical balances, as it is commercially available in market. So the balances have two pans or double pans, means what it is having two pans. In Marathi it is called as a tarazu. So the two pan balances have two pans attached to two knife edges on either end of the uh, lightweight beam supported on a knife edge located at the center of the beam. So weighing with such balances is tedious and time consuming. This balance is replaced by a single pan balance. So how this looks like the double pan balance? See, this type of the balance is there. This two pans here, what two pans are there, one pan is here, one pan is here, and here what these pans are resting on the two knife edges. Here two knife edges, and this whole knife edge is what lying on the lightweight beam, that is what this beam. So such type of balances is known as the double pan balance, as it is available in market. In Marathi it is known as a tarazu. So here what such type of balances is used for the measurement of the substance, but it is what weighing with this type of the balance is very tedious and time consuming. So we replace this balance by means of the single pan balance. And what is the single pan balance? So single pan analytical balance. A single pan balance appears in the market in 1946. So first it comes in the 1946. These balances have only one pan. See here, only one pan is there in single pan balances. Here only one pan is there. So a single pan is there, and which is what pan, only a single pan on a beam on, and only two knife edges. Here what in the double pan balance we have the three knife edges, but here we have in single pan balances we have only two knife edges. Here what, here is one knife edge and here is a one knife edge. So and here has the one beam, that light beam, and this weighing with this such balance is very easy and speedy and convenient. So single pan balance is a very convenient rather than double pan balance for the weighing, and hence it is more superior than the equal arm balance. So it is what more superior for use instead of the double pan balance. So this balance is also replaced by means of the other balance. And nowadays only such type of balances are available in the market, that is known as the electronic analytical balances. So such type of balances are available today in the market. So such type of balances is known as the hybrid electronic analytical balances. So these balances neither have a beam nor a knife edge and have partially mechanical arrangement and partially electronic circuitry, hence are called as a hybrid electronic analytical balance. Why we are calling this analytical balance as an hybrid electronic analytical balance? Because it is a combination of some mechanical balance as well as some electronic circuitry, some part of the mechanical arrangement and some part of the electronic circuitry. So this is about the electronic hybrid balance. So if you are going to learn about the how this electronic balance looks like, so see electronic balance. So balance. See, such type of electronic balances are available in market. So such type of the electronic balances nowadays available in market with different types of the loading capacity. Such bigger is one in measuring the different types of the weights in the what market. So these are the electronic balances available in the market. So or such type of simply such type of the balance set analytical balances are available in market. So if you have any queries regarding this topic, please put the questions in YouTube comment box. I will try to answer all the questions. So thank you, thanks a lot, have a nice day.